Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fun, colorful eyeshadow look. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It'd really help me out. Alright, let's just get into it. We're going to take the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and take this lavender shade and apply it above the crease. And we're going to keep building up the color and blending it out. And then we're going to take this shade and we're going to apply it above the crease as well. And we're also going to bring it down to the outer V. And these two colors will be our transition shades. And then we're going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk and apply it all over the lid. And then we're going to take the lightest shade of blue and we're going to apply it into the inner corner. And we're going to keep building up that color. And then we're going to take this baby blue and apply it to the center of the eyelid and bring it out to the outer corner. And then we're going to take this turquoise shade and put it in the center of our eyelid, and this will help blend out the two colors. And then we're going to take this purple shade and build it into the outer corner and bring it up to the crease. And then just keep blending it out and building up the color. I'm going to take this blue shade and put it in the outer corner of my eye and then bring it up to the crease and just blend it up. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to put that blue shade into the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this purple shade and put it on top of that, and then bring it up to my crease, and then just blend it out. And then I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend everything out. And then just keep blending. And then I'm going to go in with this blue and purple shade. And I'm going to apply it to that outer corner just to build it up a little bit more. And then I'm just going back in with my blending brush and blending it all out. And then I'm going to go in with my Carly Bible palette. I'm just going to use the first shade just to highlight my brow bone. And I'm just going to do a winged liner with my NYX liquid liner in black. And for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. And for my waterline, I'm using the NYX Eye Pencil in Sapphire. And then to finish up my eyes, I'm going to go in with the lightest blue and apply it to the inner half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this turquoise shade and apply it to the center of my lash line. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to put it in the outer half of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to apply a mascara to the bottom lashes. And that completes the eyes. And for lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in nude pink. And then I'm also using the Tarte lip paint in low key. And for lip gloss, I'm using the Tarte Glossy Lip Paint in Goals. And that completes this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.